Welcome back, guys. This is Tuesday, the 10th. Another rewind for you for this third week. As you can see, there's still the trade I took yesterday on the rewind that we had yesterday. I explained you why I didn't manage to get in, but this is the structure I began to understand, this week finally. So, in my opinion, this trade should go down here, okay? Because of market structure shift. We didn't have the daily accepting the price here, 15 minutes shifted down here. We had the fair value gap and price shifted back again. So we are on a bearish structure right now. Okay, so we're gonna jump into the 1 minute chart and I'm gonna show you why I took this trade from here. I wanted to look for the reversal. I was just stupid to do that because I saw this break of structure on the 15 minutes, this internal break of structure. So I was aiming to the rebalance here. I managed to get into the trade here, but price stopped me out. This was the right thing, I was just stupid to look for a reversal on a bearish trend. That was just dumb. So 8 a.m. price starts to melt down and mitigate this area of imbalance that we had here on the 15-minute chart. So in my opinion, the price should have moved back up. We actually had an internal shift of momentum here. So I managed to get into the trade, as I told you, but the price stopped me here. So this was my stop loss on Monday morning. All right, but I was shocked that on Tuesday, morning, I had another stop loss, and yesterday didn't manage to take the trade I wanted to take here, right? The full trade I managed to take only a part of it, so I was shocked and I was really confused of how things were going. I was also traveling for work, so you can imagine the stressful situation I was in. But this should have only told me that the price was not going to rebalance this area, of course, here, and delete this stupid thing and just wait and take a look to the price action. We had a break of structure here, right? What does it mean? It means that we have to go short. There's nothing more onto that. You see, price started to melt down. There was no clear entry, of course. Yeah, I understand that. It's completely normal to not enter, on a heavy move like that. But as you can see, price really melted down because we were on a bearish structure. It's just that, it's a bearish structure. It's not a bullish structure. You see the price reversed here at 4 a.m. But then, we shifted the structure again. So the reverse should not have been considered, but I should have considered to take a trade like here or something like that. The price was really melting down. So I didn't manage to take anything out of this move in the morning because, price was really moving really, really fast, to be honest. And I didn't manage to take anything else. I managed to take another trade for the reversal because I thought that the price was going too much short, so it had to rebalance. In my head was, we have to rebalance. There's no chance that the price continues to go down on a fucking bearish trend. I was just dumb. I have to admit with you guys when I am just dumb. Okay, I managed to take another entry. I'm gonna show you why. There was this 15 minutes liquidity here, okay, on the previous low. Look at how you can fuck up your head. You see, I saw this inversion here, 4 p.m., which is which is a good time for reversal. I didn't manage to get into here, but I waited for the price to break up. And I saw these little candles here, so no bodies. And I still decided to aim for a reversal. You can see that here. Okay, price managed to create a new low. All right, so I should have entered on a short position, but you know, I managed to take a trade, like, if I'm not mistaken, here or something like that. I guess it was here or something like it, yeah. But I mean, price stopped at me because it went to mitigate this area of imbalance here, and it stopped at me later on in the session. I'm gonna jump to the 5 minutes so you can see. See, this was a reversal you could have aimed for, not mine. That's the problem. So I took another loss, and you can see that here. Okay, so you know, not the best trading day. I should have just waited for the price to actually give me a clear shift in momentum. There was a fair value gap here, and this was the entry. Nothing easier than this. This was the reversal trade, and this could have been easy, an easy 1 to 7, 1 to 6, 1 to 7. You can see that, you know, it's not bullshit. I showed it to you, like, I was just stupid, you know. And this trade, this bigger trade that we took, the should have took yesterday, is still going down, guys. This is up to now in 2 days. This is already 115, 1 to 15 risk reward. Okay, and I took 2 losses. You see that? That's why I'm just, you know, figuring out that I just need to follow this order flow even on the 1 minute. Okay, you can see that the price starts to rebalance again, but we're gonna jump into Wednesday on the tomorrow video. So let's jump into gold. I didn't manage to take basically anything on gold on Tuesday, to be honest with you. These are all the trades that were possible on gold. You can see this is yesterday, and this is in the morning. So gold in the morning was like that. You can see that we were on an uptrend, and I was aiming to sell again. You see, like, to find reversal. That's why I'm fucking up my trading, because I'm trying to find reversal. I'm not waiting for the structure to shift on the right direction, like this here, and take these trades, like this one. All right, this one would have been an easy 1 to, sorry, first target was here, but 1 to 5 or even more. So on the Tuesday morning, you see, I should have just waited for the price to give me this entry and take a trade like that. You know, 1 to 5, easy money, easy work. But at 10:30 I was jumping off a train, so that's why I wasn't able to take it. But to be honest with you, even if I was on the charts, I wouldn't have been able to get into the trade like that. You know, I just didn't have the strength to do that. Later on in the day, price managed to move back up, so creating new higher highs. You know, there was also a position that I decided to try, and as you can see here, I tried. I guess no, I didn't try this one. I was too scared, luckily for me. So you can see that the price is creating higher highs and higher lows. So this is a mitigation, and this is a break of structure that you should consider. Okay, so this is the low, and this could have been another trade in the PM session. Unfortunately, unfilled. If you would have considered an entry here and not a breakout entry here, but as you can see, the price is moving really back up, as I told you. I mean, we shift the structure here, okay? So if you could take a look at the 15 minutes, all right? This is the target. I told you. I told you this is the direction we were going. So, you know, it's not a big deal. It's just I gotta take a look at that. This is the last, for example, this is the last low, last higher low. So sorry, the first higher low, the first higher low of the structure. You can see that first higher low, and your first higher low becomes the target, and you see a price managed to come back into this order block here. So this shouldn't have been the target. The target should have been this 50% order block. You see, this is the first higher low that created the market structure shift. You see, market structure shift is here, the last lower low, the first higher low. All right, first higher low becomes your target, and as you know, it's here. We're gonna jump on Wednesday now, and I'll show you the other mistakes I did. But then, you know, you can see I'm starting to understand how the market really moves.